Still updating Amazon PPC campaigns one by one? Bulk sheets will save you hours. I'll show you how to access it in today's video. So first, you're just going to log into Amazon Seller Central. You're simply going to go to your advertising campaign manager. Once you're here, it's going to look similar to this. You're going to go to your left side, and then you're going to go to sponsored ads and then bulk operations. Once you're here, they have a step-by-step on what you want to do. So we're just going to go over it, but this is what you pretty much do. You create a spreadsheet for download. You download that, and it's going to look something like this, but it depends what type of data you want. So it's going to have your different portfolios, entities, portfolio IDs, budget amounts. It's going to have a lot more information depending on what you want to add and what you don't want to add. So if you don't want it to add anything, you can just kind of exit these out if you just want to do like something very, very simple and just test it out. And then click create spreadsheet for download, and it'll look similar to the one that I just showed you. Now, let's say you want to optimize your sponsored products. Then you can do sponsored products, search term data, sponsored products data, and then create a spreadsheet. So that way you're just focusing on your sponsored products. They also have ones for sponsored display or sponsored brands, right? Depending on what you want to optimize. But this is a very fast way to optimize, especially if you're running a lot of ads and trying to go through each one by one, where you can just edit them in a spreadsheet, change the keyword bid, re-upload them, right? So not only that, they do have a bulk operations template. So if you download this, click on this, and it's going to download a template, which again is going to be similar to this, but completely blank. So you can start from scratch if you want, or you can wait for a spreadsheet to download. Now, if you do wait for a spreadsheet to download, it does take up to 15 minutes. It could take longer, and that's just how Amazon is. And you can do the date range and change it to maybe 30 days or last 60 days to see what data you're looking at. Now, if we go to tutorials, they do have pretty much an overview on how it works, frequently asked questions, example scenarios, and then they have a breakdown on kind of how to do it. But most importantly, they also have a video tutorial. So if we go to where we were at, it says learn more about creating and editing files in the bulk sheets video tutorials. So this is where it's going to test you, and you're going to kind of go through step by step on how to do it, what to expect, the bulk sheet common uses, which is most likely changing your keyword bid up and down or changing your budget, right? Easy things that you can do to optimize your campaigns very quickly instead of going through each campaign one by one. And this stuff does make a difference, and it's what brings your ACoS from pretty much a 20% down below a 10%. It's just optimizing those campaigns every day. Even lowering the suggested bid by 1 cent per day does make a difference. So definitely learn this and check this out. And that's how to access bulk sheets on Amazon. That's it for today's video. Want me to cover more Amazon PPC how-to hacks? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content. It's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, managing your ads, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, bulk listing optimization, increasing your sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon or pulling reports and trying to get your ACoS lower by 1 or 2%. It takes time, it takes energy, and we're here to help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.